Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start this part. Now, the only thing that we need to do is we need to add a vestibule. So I'm gonna use wall. So that will be interior wall, and then we're just going to add a vestibule right here. So we're gonna box this in. So even though this is glass, it will be connected there. So let's connect it right about here. Not too much, but we're still gonna connect that. I'm just using my arrow key as it's not working with me for now, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then here as well, interior wall, we're going to add a vestibule right about here. So this is around 3600, and then we could put it at 1800. It's because we're going to add in double doors right here as well, and here. So for now, let's just add that. This is around the L grid line, and then this is L and the 6 grid line. So L and 6. So just do it like that, and you'll be able to just add those. We could select those and then make it as a curtain wall. And then let's add in curtain doors there once we add the grid lines. So here we're going to able to just add it later on, and then we need to fix all of this so that it's not showing too much. Select this one and then push this one a bit. Select this grid. So that's good enough. So we're gonna add a vestibule there, and then 2 doors, so double doors. We're going to add a door right here to access there, and then also what we're gonna do is we're going to add some tables around here. So even though it's used car, they still need some salespeople. So we're going to just put it around here. We could rotate it if we want to. Just rotate this one 90 degrees like that. And then here as well. Rotate this one 90 degrees. And then just move it on the side here. And then same here, we're going to have some reception area right here. And then here, let's rotate this one on this side, and then just add it on this area. Then here, delete this, and then just add this one right about there. So I'm happy with what we've done here. The next thing that we're going to focus is the service department, which is this side, where all the some of the maintenance service will be added. One thing is we're going to add a bigger garage door. So here I'm going to select that, edit. This will be duplicated, and instead of the width 3000, we're going to make this one 6,500. So a little bit bigger. So there we could have it. We could use this space and then add this one on this side as well. So right there we have where the service department, the cars will enter and go, and then here is where the cars will be parked, will be lifted, and then so now what we're gonna do is create like a car. So we're gonna add a car, and then we're going to add the lift. So in order to add the lift, what I'm gonna do is we're just going to use detailed line. So go to annotate, detailed line, and then this will be thin lines, and we're just going to easily add some lines right here. And don't worry, we're going to mirror this, so we will have the same look as the other. Like that. We're just basically adding some details. And then here as well, we're going to add details right here. And then we're going to have something like that. Then we could just delete this and just connect this one right there. So something like this can be added, and of course we're going to add, what we're gonna do is we're going to create a group for this. Because I just don't want it to be just simple. I want also this one to be repetitive, so we could add it on all of them, on all sides. And then here I'm just gonna copy that, mirror, and then add it like that. This will be on the middle right here. Delete. Just gonna delete this, and then add another line right about here in the middle. So something like that, and I want it to be in line here just to give it some depth. And then pull it right there, or we could just trim this one. Something like that. We can pull this one, and move this one right there. And then now we just need to mirror this. So just use this mirror draw axis. Let's add it there, and then copy all of them except for the car. And then after that, go to annotate, and then here we have a detail group. Click on drop down, create group, and then this will be lift, car lift. So that's the drawing of the car lift. And then as you can see, this is something that we could just copy paste um, here is the car lift detail that we created. Obviously we're just gonna copy this. We're gonna rotate this. The car needs to be facing front like this, and then here we could just copy all of them like that. We need to put some space, so around 4800. So let's put this one on this side, 4800. There we go. So we have a good spacing right here. And then obviously we're going to add some cabinets right here in front of them. Those are the toolboxes. And then here we could just copy it from the middle right here. So it will be added on the other side as well. So those are the lift, car lifts. And then let's create the detail for the storages in front. Very simple, just rectangle for now. I should have just created one generic as well, and then just copy paste that, but let's just create this one like so. And then just quickly add those. Then we have another detailed. And then we could just have a door right here. CS on that. And then door. Something like that. Obviously we could just mirror this. And then let's just select that. CS. There we go. That's good enough just to go in the front. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to select all of this and do the detail as well. So annotate, create group, toolbox, and then just copy that in front of each one of them, and then maybe I could just mirror this again just to make it fast. And then copy all of them and then mirror again from the base here. And there you go. We have a lot of information added, and that's very nice because at least we know that we have incorporated a lift here to represent the lift car for the car. I'm also going to create the access right here, so I'm just gonna flip it on this side, so at least we have space for this one to enter, and luckily we have enough. And then here some chairs right there. We could and then we could just have something to represent something here, like a table. Or we could just have a door right here as well, so that we could access this space as well. We don't need to go around. So that's good. Then I'm just double checking everything that we have done to see if we miss anything on this side. And then we need to have access here, so a door on this side, and then a door on this side. So we have some exit doors. And the next thing we do is we need to add some garage door right here. So these are the wash bay. So we need to flip this on the other side. So we have something to enter right here. So there's 3 bay for the wash bay, and then we have those ones. And then this is service bay as well. So we have a wash bay and a service bay. And then here what we have is we have some space. We need to add the storage right here, wash bay storage. So select an interior door or interior wall, CS, and it's around this lane right here. It's around 4,000 and then 5,000 right here. This line is at number 4 grid line, so it needs to be at the center right there. So remove this, CS, and then right here, and then trim this out. And then let's add in a door, same door. You can have something that looks like that. And then in terms of the detailed, we could just put in some drums right here, so some circles that will represent the drum, the chemicals that they're gonna use, the soap right there, and then some of this CO. Grab it from the corner right here. There we go. And then we could just put some information there, and then they will all go out from here. So we need to have access, as there will be some offices here, and then some lifts as well. Here I'm just going to move this one a little bit, space it out properly, because we still need some space right here. And then we're going to add some cars right here to represent those. I'm just gonna double or copy this, and then why not add some details right here. So I'm gonna use spline and then thin line. Those are annotation lines. We're going to just simply add something like this to represent the cleaning. So I'm just doing this one, extending this. and then we're gonna add in some detailed lines again. We could just do demolish again, and that will represent some cars being cleaned by a machine. Copy that, add it right here in the middle. So I'm happy with what we have here. As you can see, we are showing some sign of progress, and we did the service department, service bay, and then the wash bay as well, and then everything is looking good. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.